Student, today we are going to solve that theorem 6.3 before the exercise 6.3. Now look the question: if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. Now let's have a look how to solve this theorem. 6.3 class 10 general maths. Student, as you can see in the video, theorem 6.3 solution, and there is a diagram. There is two triangles ABC and DEF, and here PQ, one line which is parallel to EF. Now look the given part here. I am writing here now given part. Given. Now look what is the given part in the question. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. This is the given part. Now look, what is the to prove here? To prove triangle ABC similar. It is not congruent. This symbol is similar. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. This is the given part. Now look student, in the question it is also mentioned that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, which means look here, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. Corresponding sides are also proportional here given, so we have to prove that triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, given and to prove. Now construction part. Look here student, construction part. Now look construction part. Look, AB and this is DE. So student, if I cut a piece from here, that DE, in place of DE if I cut here DP, which is equivalent to AB, so we'll write down here now cut DP, which means this equal to this, DP equal to AB, cut DP equal to AB, and DQ equal to AC, DQ equal to AC. Okay, now look, and one more thing here, that C equal to F already given in the question, and B equal to E also given, A equal to D also given, and we join PQ here. So we'll write here that next line, we join PQ, we join PQ. This is the given part. Now look how to prove these two triangles are similar. Now student, we will start here proof. Before that student, I have drawn one rough sketch here, as you can see in the video, and this rough sketch will help us for solving out or proving this theorem. Okay, now triangle ABC and triangle DEF, PQ parallel to EC. Okay, now in this part already students, we have cut AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. Now look, now we'll take these two triangle ABC and DPQ. Look here now, we'll write here now proof. Look, we'll write here now proof in triangle. Look student, in triangle ABC, this triangle as you can see in the video, and triangle DPQ as you can see in the video. Here AB equal to DP by construction. Now look, I am showing you. Look here, AB equal to DP by construction. Look here, cut DP equal to AB means AB equal to DP by construction. Similarly DQ and AC also by construction. So we'll write here now, AC and DQ also, AC and DQ, this is also by construction. Now look, one more thing, angle A equal to angle D, this is a given part. Look, given part is A equal to D, B equal to E, C equal to F. So this is given part here. So angle angle A equal to angle D, it is given part. Look here now, we'll write here now given. So student, look here, so you can say that therefore triangle, look here, triangle ABC congruence triangle DPQ, and this is, look here, two side one angle. So you can say that here side angle, or side angle side also we can say that. So here we can write here that side angle side, or side angle means two side one angle, side angle side criteria. Now look, after that student, so here we can write here that if it is do so triangle ABC congruence triangle DPQ. So student, in this place I can write that angle B equal to angle P, CPCT. So here we'll write that angle B equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle P, we'll write here that CPCT. Now look student, in the given part B equal to E also. Now look the given part here, the given part B equal to E. So student, in place of B I may write here E also, B equal to P. So here I may write angle E equal to angle P. And why? Since angle B equal to angle E, it is given part, so E equal to P. Now look in the diagram, look in this diagram, angle E equal to angle P equal. If this is equal, so we can say that angle E equal to angle P, so we can say that PQ parallel to EQ. So now we'll write here implies then PQ parallel to EF, PQ parallel to EF. Why? Because angle E and angle P are equal, and these two are said their corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that angle P equal to angle PQ parallel to EF, and we will write here that the reason, since corresponding angles are equal. Okay, now look, the first part is gone. Now the second part, look here. Now look student, PQ parallel to EF. Now look here, if PQ parallel to EF student, so here I can write then after that I can write here that DP by DE equal, and here is DQ by DF. Look here in the diagram, since PQ parallel to EF, so DP by DE and DQ by DF. Now look here, one more thing student, in the part of construction AB equal to DP, so in place of DP I may write here AB also from construction, and AC equal to DQ, so in place of DQ I can write AC also. So here student, in place of DP I will write here AB by DE, and here in place of DQ I will write here AC by DF. The reason is here I will write that since AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ, AB is equal to DP and AC equal to DQ from construction, we'll write here now from construction. So AB by DE and AC by DF. Now look student, after that here AB by DE and AC by DF already done. Now look, next similarly if I pull the line here, so we'll take triangle BCA and here EFD, or if I pull the line here similarly, then we'll take that CAB and FDE. So here I will write now. Look here student, we'll write here now. Similarly, we'll write here now AB by DE equal BC by EF. Look here student, look in the diagram. Look, similarly AB by DE and BC by EF also. And in the first case we have written AB by DE and AC by DF. In second case here AB by DE and BC by CF, which means students we can say that here the last line, therefore AB by DE equal BC by EF equal CA by DF. Now look, and what is the given condition here? The given was angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. We'll write here thus, and this is our proof now. AB by DE, BC by EF, then CA by DF. Now look student, so last line we can write directly. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, hence proved. Why? I'm telling you now. Hence proved. Now look, since the all corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional, so these satisfy the given condition or given question of the theorem, so which indicates that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is our 6.3 theorem.